You've got two photos you want to combine, but you don't want them just sitting side by side. You want them to blend together to feel like a single creative piece. That's exactly what Photopea can do. And today you will learn how to merge two photos into one seamless image. By the end of this, you will have the skill that makes your edits look professional without paying for expensive software. Start by opening Photopea in your browser. It works entirely online, so you don't need to download a thing. Drag your first photo into Workspace. Then bring in your second photo. You will see them show up as layers in the right-hand panel. The top layer is the one you will be blending into the one below it. Now, if both photos are covering each other and you can't line them up, here is the trick. Select the top photo, then lower its opacity in the layers panel. This makes it see-through, so you can see both images at once. With that view, grab the Move tool and reposition the top photo until it lines up the way you want. You can even resize it by dragging the corners. Once you are happy with the position, set the opacity back to 100%. And here is where the real merging begins. With your top layer selected, go to the top menu and click on Layer. From the drop-down, hover over Raster Mask, then choose Reveal All. A white box will appear next to your photo in the Layers panel. This is the mask, and it's going to control what parts of your top image are visible. To create a smooth blend, you will use the Gradient tool. Look in your toolbar for the gradient icon or press the letter G on your keyboard. Up at the top, you will see gradient options. Open that menu and choose foreground to background. By default, that means black to white, and that's exactly what we want. Black will hide part of the top image. White will keep it visible, and the gradient in between makes the smooth transition. Click on your image, press and hold, then drag a straight line across in the direction you want the blend. When you let go, you will instantly see the two photos melt into each other. If it doesn't look right, don't worry. You can do it again as many times as you like. Each new gradient replaces the old one, so you can experiment until the merge feels natural. The length and direction of your drag line control how soft or sharp the transition looks. A short line creates a quick blend, while a long line creates a gradual fade. This is the part where you take control. Try dragging the left to right, then undo and drag from top to bottom. Notice how the photos mix differently depending on where you start and where you finish. That's the beauty of using a gradient mask. You are not permanently erasing anything. You are just hiding parts of the image in a way that can always be adjusted. So why does this work so well? It's because layer masks in Photopea operate on grayscale values. White areas on the mask keep the layer visible, black area hide it, and gray tones in between create transparency. The gradient is simply painting a perfect scale from white to black across your photo, giving you a natural looking merge. When you got the effect the way you want, you can go further. Add adjustment layers to color match the two photos, or use the brush tool on the mask to manually touch up areas where the blend needs more control. This is how designers create double exposure effects, dreamy blends, or just practical composes that looks like a single shot. And there you have it. You just merge two photos in Photopea using nothing but a mask and gradient. It's fast, flexible, and non-destructive, which means you can always come back and tweak it later.